How to fix printer say paper jam when there is no paper jam issue. 1. Remove and reconnect the power cable. 2. Remove debris using a blower or pushing a thick paper. Here are some tips for removing debris and cleaning out your 3D printer. Check the extruder, remove the filament and inspect the extruder gear and nozzle for any plastic debris or buildup. Clean carefully with a brush or toothpick. Inspect the hot end, heat up the hot end and carefully wipe away any accumulations of filament or plastic with a cloth. Be cautious of the hot temperature. Clear the feed tube, extract the Bowden tube and use the brush provided with your printer, or pipe cleaners, to run through the tube clearing any jams. Clean feed rollers, wipe down the filament feed rollers with a damp cloth to remove any dust, oil, or particles. Rotate them to access the full surface. Vacuum the printer, use a small vacuum or air duster on and around the printer frame, rails, wheels and horizontal surfaces to pick up loose debris. Level the print bed, debris under the build plate can affect bed leveling. Relevel the bed after cleaning to ensure proper calibration. Replace parts, swap out parts like the nozzle that may be too clogged or worn out to properly clean. Use original replacements. Perform test prints, do a couple test prints and observe if more debris appears to identify the root cause. Tighten frames, wheels, belts as needed. Go slow and gently during cleaning to avoid damaging any printer components. Proper routine maintenance keeps debris minimal and your printer printing smooth. 3. Place pieces of paper on the tray. 4. Receipt encoder strip and print head carriage. 5. Check the paper sensor flag.